everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. In this video I am going to talk about acid base concept. Before my previous class I am going to talk about ionic equilibrium introduction, what is strong electrolyte and what is weak electrolyte. Now in this video I am going to talk about acid base concept. My name is Suma Shankar. Start this section, see this board. Friends, the concept is the acid base concept. Friends, in acid base concepts are classified into three types. One is Arrhenius concept, and second one is Bronsted-Lowry concept, and third one is Lewis acid base concept. Now one by one explanation in this class. First of all, the concept is the Arrhenius concept. Friends, Arrhenius says that the concept is the acid and base. What is acid and what is base? Friends, acid is in aqueous solution. Aqueous solution H plus ions are present in there. In aqueous solution H plus ions are present in there, that is called as acid. And what is base, friends? In base is the in aqueous solution OH minus ions are present in there, that is called as base. Which substance is dissolved in aqueous solution is dissociated to H plus ions are present in there in aqueous solution, that is called as Arrhenius acid. And which substance is dissolved in aqueous solution which dissociated to present in the OH minus ions, that is called as Arrhenius base. Now one more point, in H plus H2O means aqueous. Now form the HO3 plus HO3 is present in there. H plus H2O to form the HO3 is present in there in aqueous solution. This is called as hydronium ion. Hydronium ion is present in there in H plus H2O. In aqueous solution H2O plus H plus is gives HO3 plus is present in there. This is called as hydronium ion. Now what is the examples of the acids? Friend, examples of the acids is the example of the acids is the HCl and HNO3 and H2SO4 and H2S and H2CO3, carbonic acid and CH3COOH. These substances dissolved in aqueous solution, these substances H plus ions are present in there. This is called as Arrhenius acid. Now what is the examples of the base? Friends, examples of the base is NaOH and CaOH twice and MgOH twice and KOH and NH4OH. These are the examples of the bases. Because of these are the dissolved in aqueous solution, these substances is OH minus ions is present in there in aqueous solution. This is called as Arrhenius base. This is the concept. It says that in Arrhenius concept. Now one more point is present in there. The point is for example, you know that this is the NaHCO3. NaHCO3 is dissolved in aqueous medium. What happened here? This is the Na plus H plus CO3 2 minus are present in there. This is dissolved in aqueous solution. This is Na plus and H plus is present in there. This is cannot acid because of the Arrhenius says that in aqueous solution only H plus ions are present in there. That is called as acid. Only OH minus ions are present in there. That is called base. This is the Na plus and H plus is present in there. This is not acid. This is the concept of the Arrhenius says that this concept. Now what is the acid? Friend, aqueous solution H plus ions is present in there. That is called as Arrhenius acid, and aqueous solution OH minus ions are present in there. That is called as Arrhenius base. This is the concept of the Arrhenius says that. Now what is the limitations are present in there in Arrhenius concept? This is the successful theory, but those are the important limitations are present in this Arrhenius concept. The limitations is the one important limitation. This is only says that in aqueous solution H plus and OH minus ions are present in there. It cannot talk about the another solution. First limitation is the aqueous solution is the first limitation. Because of the this is only says that aqueous solution cannot talk about another solutions. Now one more important point is present in the and CaO and MgO. Calcium oxide and magnesium oxide. Oxides is combined to form in metal. This is the metal oxides is base. This is the strong base. But Arrhenius was this is cannot explain in Arrhenius. This is the one more important limitation, and another one is the aqueous solution is one more limitation. Because of the aqueous solution is only Arrhenius says that in aqueous solution H plus ions and OH minus ions. It cannot discuss in another solution. That is first limitation, and another one is the it cannot explain CaO and MgO. This is the metal oxides is strong bases, but Arrhenius cannot explain this concept. This is the successful concept, but you know that those are the important those are the limitations are present in there. This concept, this limitations is covered to introduce that concept. That concept is called as Bronsted-Lowry concept. This is clear, friends. This is arise. Friends, Bronsted-Lowry concept. What is Bronsted-Lowry concept? Bronsted-Lowry concept. Friends, Bronsted and Lowry was says that this concept. The concept is the acid. What is acid, friends? Acid is the proton donor. H plus donor is called as acid, and base is the proton acceptor is called as base. In Bronsted-Lowry concept it says that the concept is the acid. What is acid? Proton donor it is called as acid, and proton acceptor is called as base. Which substance is accept of H plus that is called as base? Which substance is donate H plus that is called as acid? This concept is says that is Bronsted-Lowry concept. Now one more examples is present in there. The example is the first example is the HCl plus H2O gives. This is the symbol is present in there. Because of these are the strong electrolyte. This symbol is present in there. HCl plus H2O gives H3O plus OH plus Cl minus is present in there. Friends, HCl is donate H plus to form the Cl minus ions are present in there. Because of this called as acid. What is acid, friend? Proton donor. This is donate H plus to form the Cl minus. This called as acid. But you know that H2O is the proton accept H plus. This called as base. Which base? This is the Bronsted acid, and this is the Bronsted base. Now one more important example. That example is the NH3 plus H2O. This is the double arrow is present in there. Because of this is the weak base double arrow is present in there, but this is the strong acid, strong electrolyte is single arrow is present in there. Because of the I am discuss about this point in my previous class, introduction of electrolyte. Now NH3 plus H2O, this gives double arrow is present in there to form the NH4 plus OH minus. Friends, NH3 is proton accept of H plus to form the NH4 plus is present in there. This is called as base. But H2O is donate H plus. This called as acid. What is acid, friend? H plus is donate, that is called as acid, and H plus accept, that is called as base. In already you know that this example H2O is a base, but in this example H2O is a acid. Now one more example on HCl, NH3, HCl plus NH3 gives NH4 plus Cl minus, that is called as salt is present in there, NH4Cl is present in there. Now this example, what is acid and what is base? HCl is, friends, HCl is proton accept, proton donate H plus to form the Cl minus. This called as acid, but NH3 is the proton accept of H plus. This called as base. What is base and what is acids? These are the example. What is acid? Proton donor is called as acid, proton acceptor is called as base. This is the concept of the Bronsted-Lowry concept. Now one more point is present in there. So this is clear, friends. This is arise. Now one more point. The point is the Bronsted base. Bronsted base. Friends, what is Bronsted bases? Friends, Bronsted bases is example is the negative charged species. Negative charged species are Bronsted bases. For example, Cl minus and S2 minus and S minus and CO3 2 minus and SO4 2 minus and HPO4 2 minus and HPO4 H2PO4 minus and PO4 3 minus. These are the examples of the negative charged species. It is called as Bronsted base because of these are the accept of H plus ions. These are the accept of H plus ions, that is called as Bronsted bases. These are the examples of the Bronsted bases. But Bronsted bases examples is neutral species. Friends, neutral species is the NH3. NH3 is the Bronsted base because of these are the accept of H plus ions. Accept of H plus ion, that is called as Bronsted base. And one more example is present in there, that is called as RO double bond. This is the ROH. This is the alcohol. Alcohol is also neutral species. This is the Bronsted base because of this is the accept of H plus ions. Accept of proton is called as Bronsted bases. This is the neutral species and these are the negative charged species is the Bronsted bases. But one more point is present in there in Bronsted bases. The point is in this example H, and this is the another one is the HCO3 minus. This is the Bronsted base. Now one more example is present in there in Bronsted base, that is called as HCO3 minus. HCO3 minus is the proton accept. This is the H2CO3 present in there, as well as HCO3 is minus is proton donor. This is the CO3 2 minus is present in there. Proton accept, this called as base, and this is the proton donor is called as acid. Which species is act as a proton donor and proton acceptor? It means Bronsted acid and Bronsted bases. That species C are called as amphoteric species. That species is called as amphoteric species. This is the very important point in competitive exams. What is the amphoteric species? Which species is act as a Bronsted base and Bronsted acid? That species are called as amphoteric species. One more example of the amphoteric species is the HSO4. HSO4 minus is a proton acceptor. This is the H2SO4 is present in there, as well as HSO4 minus is a proton donor. This is the SO4 2 minus is present in there. This is called as base, and as well as this is called as acid. Which species is act as a brown state acid and brown state base, that is called as amphoteric species. This is the concept of the amphoteric species. But one more important example is present in the amphoteric species. Amphoteric species example is the H2O plus H2O gives H3O plus OH minus. This is the one of the example of the amphoteric species. Because of the H2O is accept of H plus. This is called act as a base, and as well as in this case what happened, H2O is the donate H plus, H2 is the donate H plus. This is act as a acid. H2O is a act as a brown state base and as well as brown state acid. These called as amphoteric species. This is the examples of the brown state Lowry concept, base and neutral species and amphoteric species. And what is brown state acid? The brown state acid is the donate of H plus, that is called as brown state acid, as well as in this example. And next concept is the conjugated acid and conjugated base. This is clear, friends? This is arise. Friends, one more important concept is present in there. The concept is the conjugated acid and bases. Now the example is the HCl plus NH3 gives NaH4 plus Cl minus is present in there. This is the example. Now what is the conjugated acid and what is conjugated base? Friends, this is example. HCl is H plus. This is the donate H plus ions. This is called as acid. Okay, friends. But NH3 is accept H plus ion. This is called as base. Okay, friends. What is acid, friends? Donate of H plus, that is called as acid, and what is the basis? Accept of H plus, that is called as basis. But already you know that in explain briefly in what is acid and what is base. Now I am going to talk about the conjugate acid and conjugate base. But in this direction, what happened there? Cl minus, friends, represented to the black color. Cl minus is H plus is accept of H plus. Friends, Cl minus accept of H plus. This called as base. In I am going to talk about back direction. Cl minus is accept of H plus. This is called as base. But NaH4, friends, NaH4 is donate of H plus. This is called as acid. Now what is the conjugate acid and what is conjugate base? Friends, conjugate acid is the what is conjugate acid? Conjugate acid is the accept of or added of H plus, that is called as conjugated acid. But what is conjugated base, friends? Conjugated base is the what is conjugated base? Conjugated base is the donate of H plus, that is called as conjugated base and conjugated acid. But in this example, this is the base. This base is the HCl is the acid. To form the Cl minus. Now what happened? Donate of H plus formed to the Cl minus, that is called as conjugate base. But in this case, NH3 is a base. This is the accept of H plus, that is called as conjugated acid. Accept of H plus, that is called as conjugated acid, and donate of H plus, that is called as conjugated base. Now added of H plus, that is called as conjugated acid, and donate of H plus, that is called as base. This is clear, friends? Acid base, what is conjugated and acid, and what is conjugate base. Friends, one more example. The example is the NaH3 plus H2O gives double arrow is present in there. Because of this is the weak base, and NaH4 plus OH minus. I am going to talk about conjugate acid and conjugate base. Friends, NaH3 is the accept of H plus. This is called as base. What base, friends? Brown-state base. And H2 is the donate of H plus. This called as acid in this example. Now what happened there? Now I am going to talk about the what is conjugate base and what is conjugate acid. Conjugate acid is the added of H plus. But in this direction, what happened there? This is the OH minus ions is present in there. This is the NaH4 is present in there. In back direction, I am represent to them this color. Now OH minus ions is accept of H plus. Accept of H plus, this called as base. Accept of H plus, this called as base, and this is called as conjugated acid. This is conjugated acid and this is base. Now in this direction, NaH4 is the donate H plus. This is called as donate H plus. This is called as acid. Now what is the acid base, friends? Conjugated acid is added of H plus, that is called as conjugated acid. In this example, what is NH3 is the accept of H plus to form the NH4 plus. It means added of H plus, this called as conjugated acid. These two are the conjugated acid base pair. Hence these two is called as conjugated acid base pair, and these two is also called as conjugated acid base pair. This is clear, friend. This is the concept of the Brown-State-Lowry acid base concept. What is acid? Brown-State acid, proton acceptor, that is called as Brown-State base, proton donor, that is called as Brown-State acid. This is clear, friends. And now what is the limitations are present in the Brown-State-Lowry concept? Brown-State-Lowry concept is those are the limitations are present in there. That is limitations is called as BF3 and AlCl3. These are the acids, but Brown-State-Lowry concept is cannot explain these substances BF3 and AlCl3. These are the acids, but cannot explain this concept. This concept is covered to introduce the one more important concept. The concept is the Lewis acid base concept. This is clear, friends. This is arise. Friends, one more important concept is present in the acid base concept. The concept is the Lewis acid base concept. What is concept, friends? Lewis is acid base concept. Lewis acid base concept. This is the electron orientation concept. This is the electron orientation concept. This is called as electron theory. What is Lewis acid base concept, friends? Lewis acid base concept. Acid is the accept of lone pair of electrons. Accept of lone pair of electrons, that is called as Lewis acid. And what is base, friends? Base is the donate of lone pair of electrons, that is called as Lewis base. Friends, what is acid, friends? Acid is the accept of lone pair of electrons, that is called as Lewis acid. And what is the base, friends? Donate of lone pair of electron, that is called as base. This concept says that Lewis in 1923. This is the very important concept in acid base concept. Friends, what is the examples of the Lewis acid? Examples of the Lewis acid is the positive charged species, friends. Positive charged species is Lewis acid, and positive charged species is the H plus and H3O plus and Cl plus and Cl plus and Ag plus and Cu2 plus. These are the positive charged species. Because of these are the accept of lone pair of electrons. This called as Lewis acid. And one more concept is present in there, that is the negative positive charge species and neutral species. Neutral species examples of the Lewis acids. Neutral species is the electron deficient species. Electron deficient species. What is the electron deficient species of the examples of the Lewis acid? Neutral species are electron deficient species. Example is the BF3. For example, BF3, friends, BF3 is the neutral species. This is the electron deficient species because of these are the 6 electrons are present in this molecule. 6 electrons is present in there. This is the incomplete octet rule. Incomplete octet, this is called as the neutral species. This is the electron deficient species. This is the electron deficient species. This is the accept of lone pair of electron. Accept of lone pair of electron, that is called as Lewis acid. This is clear, friends. And one more example is present in there. The example is the SnCl4 and AlCl3. These are the examples of the Lewis acid. Now, what is the examples of the Lewis bases, friends? Lewis bases is examples is the lone pair of electrons is donate of lone pair of electron, that is called as Lewis base. In negative charge species of Lewis base, negative charge species of Lewis base is the Cl minus and Br minus and H2 minus and S minus and as well as the and SO4 2 minus and CO3 2 minus. These are the negative species. These are the act as a donate of lone pair of electrons. These act as a donate of lone pair of electrons. These called as Lewis base. And neutral species of the Lewis base is the it means lone pair of electrons is present in the Lewis bases. Neutral species of Lewis base is the examples is the lone pair of electrons is present in there, that is called as NH3. NH3 is the lone pair of electrons is present in there. This is act as a Lewis base because of the lone pair of electrons is donated of these species. And another one is the ROH. Alcohol is the oxygen. He is a lone pair of electrons is present in there. This is act as a Lewis base. These are the examples of the Lewis bases. These are the examples of the Lewis acid. This is the concept of the Lewis acid base concept. These are the concepts of the acid base concept. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.